B is going to be hitting that jump. We'll move it out after. Yep, and that's pretty much with like a 90 dirt bike. Not even a 90, something like that.
A little mini bike.
Little mini bike, yep. And I'll be hitting that. I already cleared it once, but
I think he might come. One more shot at the ramp.
Is he coming?
I think I can hear him come.
Get ready for this. This is gonna be awesome. And special.
Okay.
Okay, we got it. This is videotaping right now.
Yeah.
And,
going.
And if you like it, press like. If you don't, press dislike when we YouTube it. Here he comes. Oh my God.